for this wonderful performance of our children. We will not take it for granted. Our theme for 2025 was miles ahead, and our slogan was press towards the goal. And I want to thank God so much that He has enabled us achieve the theme for the year 2025 with this glorious success. Can we give a hand of applause to our dear candidates for the wonderful work they have done? Dear candidates, thank you so much. Thank you that you did not shame us. You endured the coldness so that we can have these wonderful results. Thank you so much. I want to thank our dear directors in a special way for all the time supporting us when it comes to materials that we use for teaching the children, the materials they use for eating, the practicals, and many other things. I'm so grateful to you, dear directors. I also wish to take the opportunity to thank our dear teachers. Thank you so much for the tremendous work. Sitting with these children, seeing that every day they are in class, they're attending the lessons. Thank you for completing your syllabuses in time, and thank you for revising with your children. And today, we are celebrating these wonderful results because of that determination and the trust you have put in our children. I also wish to thank our dear parents. Thank you so much for trusting us with your children. If you didn't have trust and believe in Godmark High School, we wouldn't have moved this far. And therefore, today, we stand here to celebrate the goodness of the Lord in the land of the living. Thank you so much to our patron in charge of the chapel. So thank you. Thank you. Every weekend it's with our children, counseling them, praying with them. Thank you so much. May God bless you so much. And I would like to conclude by saying, this year we shall work extra hard to see that our candidates have excelled, not just performing. Thank you so much. Thanks. We request you to trust us with more children that will produce wonderful results as you have seen in these exams of 2025. Thank you so much for the senior ones who have reported so far and those who are still reporting. May God bless you all. Thank you. Teaching and non-teaching staff, the entire school, good evening to you all.